From my first step to my first fall, you were there to guide me through it all with steady hands and patient eyes. You taught me how to reach the skies. You worked so hard. You gave so much. With every lesson, every touch, not just in words, but how you live, you showed me what it means to give. You weren't just my dad, it's true. You were my guide, my strength, my glue. When storms would come and life got tough, your quiet love was strong enough. You cheered me on through every try. You let me dream. You let me fly. And when I failed, you'd always say, "Get up, my son. You'll find your way." I may be grown, but still I see that boy who sat upon your knee. And deep inside, I'll always be forever proud. You're part of me.